We're back to using Adobe Firefly. It's still free for now, just sign in, there is no waiting list anymore. Now we're going to use it to design a Mascot logo. We're going to use the text effects for it. It sounds a little bit counterintuitive, but it works. Make the background transparent. Here's the text Firefly as an example. And we're going to paste an emoji into it. Let me start with a heart. I'm going to link to this page, just left click on it, it's in my clipboard, and now I can press Ctrl V, and here's the heart. By default I have twisted driftwood selected, and this makes the heart get this effect. If you're totally new to Adobe Firefly, check my playlist for it. I went over this. It's a simple menu, but as a newbie you might get lost. Let me pick a different default, like rainbow marbled paper. Heart shape is pretty easy. It understands what I want right away, and you can also prompt it according to your needs. But let us pick something more complex, maybe the clown right here. I paste it again, and I keep the prompt, rainbow marbled paper. And the result is nowhere near what we want. It helps to add the name of the emoji, then emoji, and afterwards keep the rainbow marbled paper. This already makes the results better. We can even see a clown now. But if you add a logo, separate everything with a comma, this makes all of the results way better as far as I've tested it. Here, for example, the clown is very detailed, so you always want to add the name of the emoji, then emoji and logo, and then add your actual prompt. Let me, for example, use a monkey right here. I'll paste it. So we need monkey, comma, emoji, comma, logo, and then add your actual prompt. So let me, for example, use synth wave colors. I generated. And these results are amazing. You can use them for your Mascot logo design. Let me use, I've already tried a bear before, so this should give us good results. I only change monkey to bear, I keep emoji and logo, and the style synth wave colors. And here you can see these are great results for Mascot logos. You can use them as inspiration or directly this one. We only have to clean up the text elements. When nothing is usable, just refresh it right here and you're going to get 4 new results. As I said, I'm going to link to this emoji page. You just have to left click on the emojis and they will be pasted into your clipboard so that you can press Ctrl V here in the text effects Adobe Firefly menu. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.